back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I have seen in the comments before, some people have said they are looking for IT or tech support related positions. So that is what I have for you today. Please note that anytime you leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, I do read those and keep that in mind. I do have a list of things people have said. Sometimes it just takes a little bit of time going through job leads to actually find ones to share that fit what you're looking for. But as always, please feel free to leave anything specific that you are looking for in the comments. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the huge pharmacy retailer Rite Aid. They are hiring a Tier 3 technical support rep. Now, this is remote for my United States only, and if you're interested in applying, the link to this page to put that application in is in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, real quickly, a few things to note. They are only requiring a high school diploma or GED for this position. No college education is required. The typical starting pay range for this position is anywhere from $26.25 an hour all the way up to $39.26 an hour. Of course, pay is dependent on experience and location. Above that education of a high school diploma, they're looking for somebody who has 5 years of experience in retail system support environment. But if this is you, they're really looking for somebody to troubleshoot and resolve their store hardware and software issues in a manner that minimizes downtime or eliminates customer inconvenience. If you've ever been to a store and you're trying to check out and their system is down or it's rebooting and you have to stand there and they can't cash you out, they're like, hold on a minute, our computers are rebooting. I know that's happened to me a few times before, so this sounds like something like that. You are going to be responsible for troubleshooting any issues they're having with their computers, their software, their hardware, like their credit card machines or anything, to keep them up and running. So you'll have to understand the complex troubleshooting and resolve the front-end pharmacy problems with specified time frames, including start over, system recovery, script pro central drives, all of those kinds of things. You'll be detailed in all actions and maintain progress reports of the current problem tracking application. So you will track those incoming issues. Now, how you're going to know about these issues is you're going to be answering incoming calls and thoroughly detail the issue in the problem tracking application. So if the pharmacy techs are having an issue with some kind of computer or whatever, they'll pick up the phone and call you over at tech support to help. All right, if tech support was not your thing, that's absolutely okay. As stated in the beginning of this video, please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.